This is your trout brook. "28 acres of ground is a lot of land. Plenty of land to play with, to hobby farm, to leave a piece to your kids." You're in the country with some other rural homes. This is your road frontage, your street scene. Let's check out the inside of this one-floor living option. Roughly 15 by 12. And those are oak cabinets, and that is a stainless steel refrigerator. The side-by-side refrigerator and that glass top stove that's also stainless steel stay in the sale, just like the dishwasher. They're all Kenmore's. Glass atrium doors bring in your eastern morning sunshine. You've got another set on your living room. The bedroom has some floor-to-ceiling glass treatment too, and another set of doors. This is all on one floor. This is man's best friend. This is Brady, and he is the nicest dog, and no, he does not stay in the sale. See the Ashley pellet stove in the corner? Check out the cedar on the walls. This feels like your cottage up in Maine. And there's another set of glass doors. This living space all flows together. This is someone's camp up in Maine. This is where you could telecommute. You do have high-speed internet. You're on a paved road. You're not far from Drews Lake, Nickerson, and Skiddacook Lakes. Here's your master bedroom. This does a good job heating the place. Ashley's are well known for being good for keeping you warm, but last year they put a new thermopride furnace in. Thank you, Daigle Oil. French doors in your master bedroom. 2 closets. Closet 1, closet 2, and another atrium door. Start your seedlings in that hoop house. And there's also a brook on the north line. Two ways to come into that master bedroom. Here's that new furnace we told you about. It's not a Miller, it's a thermopride. That's even better. Your laundry room. Really makes your bathroom a lot bigger having a laundry room just off it. The bathroom's been treated in cedar, tongue and groove too. Really easy to maintain, and it's all native woodwork. A lot of real wood in this one. Tub and shower. At the end of the hall, there's a room under construction, 12 by 10. It'll be all squared away by the time you get here to check it out. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you for watching this Maine real estate video. Make comments down below. Like this video and reach out with your questions. Here's that little brook we told you about. It's the other side of the white birches, the mixed woods. This is your trout brook. Neat network of rec trails throughout this one. An open ground, so it's like a small farm with a woodlot attached and some waterfront. You're in farming country. That's not a bad location. And up over that hill is Drews Lake. Nickerson's not far away, Russell Lake, East Grand. You got a whole bunch of lakes.